Hello friends, so I welcome you all in the discussion, and in the discussion basically we discuss one of the question that has been asked in recent CSIR exam, and the question is we have to find out the value of the limit of 1 raised to the power alpha plus 2 raised to the power alpha plus 3 raised to the power alpha plus dot 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 n raised to the power alpha divided by n raised to the power alpha plus 1. So first important question is how we can approach, right? How to approach to solve the question within 1 or 2 minutes, right? That is the challenging task. If you correlate this basically question, so you can observe there is a one question that is basically the sequence का ही एक थ्योरम है, दैट इज काशी फर्स्ट थ्योरम ऑन लिमिट, राइट? काशी फर्स्ट थ्योरम ऑन लिमिट. लेकिन एक चीज़ देखो, काशी फर्स्ट थ्योरम ऑन लिमिट में आपको अगर अप्रोच लगानी है एन टेंस टू इनफाइनाइट, यू हैव टू डू a1 प्लस a2 डॉट 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 a n एंड डिवाइडेड बाई n. बेसिकली दिस इज नॉट लुक लाइक दिस, राइट? क्योंकि अगर आपको पुट करना है तो आपको पहले ये a1 a2 सारे सीक्वेंस बनाने पड़ेंगे, या अल्फा की वैल्यू क्या पुट करें, राइट? सो देखो, नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज व्हाट अबाउट दिस अल्फा, बिकॉज अल्फा इज क्रिएटिंग ए प्रॉब्लम. तो अल्फा की वैल्यू पहले से आपको दिया है, इट इज ग्रेटर दैन आर इक्वल टू 0. कोई भी वैल्यू आप पुट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अब सवाल है कि मैं क्या ऐसी वैल्यू पुट करूं, क्या अल्फा की वैल्यू 0 पुट कर दूं, 1 पुट कर दूं, या 2 पुट कर दूं, 3 पुट कर दूं, क्या पुट करूं? सो जस्ट ट्राई टू understand before putting this value alpha is equal to 0, first you ensure. देखिए, सबसे पहले अगर अल्फा की वैल्यू आप कुछ भी पुट कर रहे हैं, 0 या 1 या 2 या बहुत सारी वैल्यूज ऐसे आप पुट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन क्वेश्चन है विच वैल्यू इज सुटेबल फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन, दैट इज द चैलेंजिंग टास्क, राइट? और चूंकि ये काउंटर एग्जाम्पल की तरह आप पुट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि आप वैल्यू को इंडिविजुअली पुट कर रहे हैं, राइट? तो पहले इंश्योर हो लो कि कौन कौन से ऑप्शन डिस्कार्ड कर सकते हैं, ऐसा हो सकता है, सेम हो सकता है, या डिफरेंट हो सकता है. सो ओनली दोज वैल्यू वी पुट. अगर मैं अल्फा की वैल्यू 0 पुट करूंगा, लेट सपोज, सो वी विल गेट द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑल्सो 1, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज ऑल्सो 1, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज ऑल्सो 1, राइट? सो दीज 3 ऑप्शंस आर करेक्ट. अगर मैं 1 पुट करता हूं, इफ अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 1, इन दैट केस दिस विल बी basically first option will be 1 by 2, the second option will be 1 by 3, and the third option is also 1 by 2. Again, the two options are same, right? So we have to put such value of alpha which can discard most of the options, right? If we put alpha is equal to 2, let's see. So what you will get, the first option will be 1 by 3. The second option, if you put alpha is equal to 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 6 plus 1, this is 1 by 7. And here if you put 2, then you will get basically 5, right? So just see, if you are putting alpha is equal to 2, in that case you are getting a different value, right? You can quickly observe, if you are putting some random value, before that you ensure ki whether we can discard most of the options or not. So by this approach we can just quickly put alpha is equal to 2. If it is true, then rest of the option we can discard very easily, right? If it is true, then further we have to see other. So if alpha is equal to 2, what about our limit? So this limit will be n tends to infinite 1 raised to the power 2 plus 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3 raised to the power 2 and plus dot dot dot, this is n raised to the power 2 and divided by what? Divided by n raised to the power 3, right? This is very simple approach, and everyone knows what is the summation of n square. This is nothing but limit n tends to infinite, this is summation n square and divided by n cube. So everyone knows what about the summation of n square, right? It is basically what? n plus 1, 2n plus 1 and divided by 6. This value of summation n square is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 into n cube, right? Into n cube is already there. So finally you will get limit n tends to infinite, and this n cube you can take common on all these. So 1 plus 1 by n, and this become 2 plus 1 by n, and in the denominator this will become n cube. So n cube will be cancelled, you will get n tends to infinite 2 by 6, that is you are getting 1 by 3. So basically we are putting the counter example. So just try to understand, before you put 0 1 2 3, first you ensure by the option what we can get, because this is very clear, this alpha is basically true for every values, right? So we have to identify which value is suitable, otherwise it will take more time, right? So by this approach what we are getting, its value is basically, if we are putting alpha is equal to 2, it is 1 by 3. So if we are putting alpha is equal to 2, only this option number A is correct, because in this option we are getting 1 by 7, so this is discard. Here we are getting 1 by 5, this is also discard. Limit does not exist, so this is also, because if one of the value exists, this means that we can correct it, right? So only option number A is correct, and we have to ensure, we have to quickly solve the question in CSIR like exam. First, just try to understand. We can correlate this by this Cauchy first theorem on limit also. But again the problem start if we put alpha is equal to 0. Just see, if then all these terms become 1, right? So we cannot make a sequence, right? So it is better we can put such value which can give the result quickly, right? So in this way you can approach. So this is the summary of this question. I will upload few more question based on this memory based question, right? So thank you for watching this video.